I hope so far you understand what we'll be doing with division, right? So today we'll look at division, dividing two-digit numbers, same by counting. But you know that just like we have in addition, subtraction, multiplication, we can't keep counting, right? We have to learn other ways of dividing without counting. But let's have this today. So 12 divided by 4. What's my dividend here, by the way? 12, right? The number that I'm dividing. So I'm going to count 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. So I'm dividing it into what? 4. So I'm having groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Do I have a remainder? No. So how many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Great. Let's see the second one. So we have 18. You see our sign? That's how I'm using different signs so that you get used to it. This means 18 divided by 3. So we'd have 18. 1, 2, 3. No. That's too close to my answer space. So that's why I like that we have a different counting sheet. But you know, sometimes your teacher wants to see that you actually did the workings yourself, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, right? You see the way I'm counting neatly in my notes? Don't count it all over the question. Good. So let's have groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no remainder again. So let's see how many groups we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18 into groups of 3 would have 6. Okay, so we have 6. And more examples. Oh, you see the number is getting bigger. We have to learn how to do this without counting. But let's do this. 22 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. If you count wrongly, your answer will be wrong. So you have to be very careful. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is not up to 4, so we have a remainder. So how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5. And I have remainder what? 1, 2. There's 2 left. So we have 5, remainder 2. One more example before I let you do some yourself. So we would have 15 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm dividing it into groups of 5, right? So I'm counting 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No remainder, nothing is left. How many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. Good. Now it's your turn to try this. Can you try? This, and I'll give you just about a minute so that you tell me the answer. 17 divided by 6, and then we have 14 divided by 2. Good luck! Okay, for number 1, 17 divided by 6, if you got 2, remainder 5, you're correct. Yippee! If you didn't, check again. Is it that you counted wrongly or you didn't group it correctly? Right? And the number 2, 14 divided by 2 would have no remainder in this case, would be 7. Good job. So, next class, we will be learning another way to do division without having to count. Because what if we have 74 divided by 3? Are we going to count 74? No, we won't do that. We are mathematicians, remember? So I'll see you in the next class. Bye!